Hey, what's up guys? Alan here with Sonic Electronic at CES 2018 at the Audiovox booth. This little gadget here caught my eye. It's a universal tablet mount for your headrest. It's actually pretty cool. You can adjust the actual size of the tablet. It works with pretty much any size tablet for the most part. Another thing that's neat about it is it comes with Bluetooth headphones. So pretty much you mount your tablet here, plug into the auxiliary, and you pair to Bluetooth headphones. One nice thing that's nice about it is that this piece can actually come off, so you don't really have anything left that's big and bulky, and it does charge through this piece as well too. So although these will install kind of like a headrest monitor where you run the wire down the seat, or if you're just looking for kind of a temporary application, you can plug into your cigarette lighter. Basically, this will slide in, lock in, charge. There's a USB port on either side where you can charge your device while you're using it. I'm Alan with Sonic Electronics, and for more information on this universal headrest mount, please visit sonicelectronics.com.